bowled in the nets. But that match pressure and the match tension, the match nervousness is different.
Can Rohit Sharma still be available?
It will not be easy for him to come back straight away.
Sort of now to the critical one. I mean, one has to ask you this. And it's a batsman's take. The whole country wants to know your thoughts on Rohit Sharma. Can he make it? Because red ball cricket more for me than white ball, because the test series for me is the marquee series. As a batsman, from what you know, can Rohit Sharma still be available?
Hope so. He's got a hamstring tear. That's what been reported by the physio from the national team and also the Mumbai Indian physio. But he's a batsman. He's not a fast bowler. We want him to recover because he's an asset for India. He along with Virat makes the side even stronger. I don't know whether he'll be fit straight away for the white ball cricket, but fingers crossed, both him and Ishant Sharma. Ishant Sharma would definitely be, and we're looking forward to Rohit Sharma being fit for those 4 test matches, because when you go to Australia, you look forward to those test matches. When you go to England, you play white ball cricket, you play T20 cricket, but it's the test match at Lord's, it's the test match at the Oval, and it's the same thing in Australia. It's the Boxing Day test, it's the New Year's test, and now it's the pink test, day-night test. So these are landmarks in cricketing history. You want to finish your career with 100 at Lord's, you want to finish your career with 100 at the Boxing Day test or a pink test, and I think these will always remain. So I am looking forward to the test series. I know we talk about one-day cricket, we talk about T20 cricket filling up the stands, but for me this series will be those 4 test matches.
I remember you mentioned to me that this is a milestone series. These were your words, not mine, that the India-Australia test series is a milestone series. You would want your best men. You've played this game, 115 test matches. With what you've heard as president, you must be knowing, would you think that we can get Rohit?
As I said, I hope so. I will not be able to pinpoint it. You will get a clearer picture in the next 7-8 days. Mumbai Indians are still due to play some matches in the IPL. If he turns up,
is that a fitness test? I mean, if he turns up, for example?
Yeah, to an extent, yes. But if he has a tear, which has been reported by both the physios, it will not be easy for him to come back straight away. Because especially now, a month later, yes.
So red
but
ball,
now,
there is a definite chance.
Definitely there is a chance if he gets fit, and because I've seen it as a cricketer, I've experienced it as a captain. Your fast bowlers at times have come and said, my hamstring's fine, my quadriceps is fine, I've bowled in the nets, but that match pressure and the match tension, the match nervousness is different. It actually makes your injury a bit more susceptible. Fingers crossed, you want Rohit Sharma to play because he's a tremendous player. We'll wait and see.